place one of the rubber gaskets into the end of the nozzle attachment. Make sure to press down for a secure, tight fit. Then connect the nozzle attachment to the sprayer. Make sure to get them good and tight, but do not over-tighten. If you need to replace a gasket in the end of the nozzle, use a screwdriver, back end of a knife, or other instrument to carefully remove the original gasket. Place the new gasket directly over the threads and push down. Make sure to get a good, secure fit. The gasket should sit flat inside the nozzle. Now you're ready to screw on the nozzle tip. Again, make sure to get a nice tight fit, but do not over-tighten.